A winter weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. Winter storm warning now in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What? Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations up to 2 inches. Where? Portions of northern Indiana and northwest Ohio. When? Until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.